So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to open a business checking account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on the home icon, then scroll down a tad to where it says open or move account, and then select that, and then select open a new account. Once you're on this page, it's probably the easiest to where it says popular accounts. Scroll down to where it says view all accounts and then select that. Then under this page right here, you can just keep scrolling down. There's a bunch of different accounts, but what you want to do here is where it says business checking account, a business checking account for spending, saving, and earning interest effortlessly. We'll then select that. Once you're here, you can read all about the business checking account. So if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and press open an account at the bottom, then go with the next steps that way. So pretty simple, but that is how to open up a business checking account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.